Hello everyone, and today I'm going to do another video on why in the hell use a base 120. Well, 120 has something special about it that 10 does not. Okay, and that is that 120 is a super composite number, meaning it's extremely well in mathematical languages in terms of multiplication as well as division. So what I'm going to do today, let's see, where's the pencil? Here's a pencil. What I'm going to do today is I am going to square 5,040 using this number system. Now, what I have, right, I got the number system. I got a numeral for each of these and each of these, and I just so happen to know that there are exactly 42, right? 40 combined with 2. 120s, right? Because that's how you would do 120. 1 with a 0. There are exactly 42 120s. Okay. So we're going to take this number and we're going to multiply it by itself. And how we do that is I'm going to use the Indian style method taught by the Tech Math channel. We have 0 times 0, which equals 0, obviously. Then we take this number times this number and this number times this number. So that number times that number is 0, plus that number times that number is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So we're going to add 0. And then we are going to do 42 times 42. Now 42 times 42, you can do the same thing, right? You have 2 times 2, which equals 4. 4 times 2 is 8, so 8 plus 8 is 16, carry the 1. Then 4 times 4 is also 16, so that's going to be 1,764, which would be represented in base 120 as 14V 84. So we put this number here because there are exactly, right, in 1,764, there are exactly 14 120s to the power of 1, and 84 120s to the power of 0. Anything by the power of 0 is 1. So 84 is literally 84. So we then put this number in the, let's see, we got 0, 120, 14,400. So it's in the 7,000, no, 1,728,000s place, which is basically the which is basically 12 cubed, right? Times 1,000, obviously, because it's a base 120 opposed to a base 12. So you would in dozenal, you would basically write this number down like this, and we would say in dozenal, that's a 1. In dozenal, we would say 5,040 times 5,040 equals 25,000,000 400 and 1,600. But that's not the case in this particular instance, right? In this particular instance, we would call it something different. 120s to the power of, let's see, to the power of 3, I refer to as a Galvin. And 120s to the power of 2, I call a Grotist. So that is exactly 14 Galvin, 84 Grotus, instead of having to remember 25 million 100 or 401,600, right? All those powers of 10s. We only have to remember 2 powers of 120. And the number 5,040 in particular is also a super composite number. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation of why I believe that a base 120 should be used for advanced mathematics, as it makes things much simpler.